So there were 9 high school seniors who only had a handful of days left in their school career. They thought, what can we do to make our last days more memorable? And then it came to them. Let's drive our lawnmowers to school! As far as senior pranks go, that's pretty harmless and responsible and good-natured, and they got suspended for 2 days. Well, their fellow students and the whole community was shocked. Their story and their fame grew pretty quickly, thanks to their fellow students protesting in the halls, refusing to eat lunch, their Facebook fan page exploding with the adults of the community backing them up, and multiple news agencies covering their story and asking them about it. Here's where it gets awesome. In response to all of this attention, they show a depth of character that came to be known as their trademark. They had t-shirts made up, they hosted a lawnmower parade, which I happen to have some footage of. And yes, they mowed a few lawns, all to benefit the Arkansas Children's Hospital. You know, there are some downsides to living in a small town and being a part of a small community. But when the community, the adults, the peers, the everybody stands up for you and gives you the courage to do the right thing, even when you're not exactly happy about the situation, that's good. So we rode in the parade. And I didn't get much footage because I was holding my camera in one hand, steering wheel in the other. I had 2 rows of lawnmowers to my left and a lot of pedestrians to my right. So, yeah.
You can just peel down the other side of the car. Nobody can see you.
What's your kitty?
What?